How are you? I'm fine, thank you. So kids, today we are going to learn about colors. So let's start it. Yellow color. Repeat after me. Yellow color. Violet color. Blue color. Black color. Red color. Sky blue color. Pink color. Light green color. Dark green color. Orange color. And brown color. Now we are going to write here 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's start writing. Red color. 0. Red color. 0. Repeat after me. Red color. 0. Which color is this? It's a red color. And which number is this? 0. Red color. 0. Very good. Pink color. 1. Pink color. 1. Which number is this? It's 1. Pink color. 1. Very good. Dark green color. 2. Dark green color. 2. Repeat after me. Dark green color. 2. Number 2. Next is 3. Blue color. 3. Blue color. 3. Blue color. 3. Very good. Next is 4. Black color. 4. Black color. 4. Which number is this? It's 4. And which color is this? Black color. Very good. Violet color. 5. Violet color. 5. Which number is this? It's 5. And which color is this? It's a violet color. Good. Next is 6. Orange color. 6. Orange color. 6. Light green color, 7. Light green color, 7. Sky blue color, 8. Sky blue color, 8. Sky blue color, 8. Which number is this? It's 8. And which color is this? Sky blue color. Very good. Now, next is violet color. 9. Which number is this? It's 9. Which color is this? It's violet color. Well done. Now let's revise. Red color, 0. Pink color, 1. Green color, 2. Blue color, 3. Black color, 4. Violet color, 5. Orange color, 6. Light green color, 7. Sky blue color, 8. Violet color, 9. That's it for today, kids. Bye bye. See you in the next class.